Welcome to the second lesson. Today we will cut sticks for the side walls of our house. And we will start with the simplest. I have a drawing and I will work strictly according to the drawing. You will also have a drawing, only in electronic form. For two side walls, we need to cut. Here are 44 pieces of 6 cm sticks. There are two ways in which you can mark and cut them. The first way is to mark and cut off each stick individually. Here we have 10 centimeters marked. The only thing that I will move this stick and mark it from two sides. Retreat 6 centimeters. And here are 6 centimeters. For convenience, I take these scissors and this jar, because when we cut, the pieces of wood will bounce. And so that they do not scatter all over the space, I will cut inside this jar. As you can see, our cut pieces of wood will fall here. Don't throw these sticks away either. I have such a container and you can collect cut pieces in it, because we need them too. Cut off good parts can be collected in another container. And the second way. This is to put several sticks together in 5 pieces. And with the help of a ruler they can be marked. And from this side. And then cut off. To save your time, I will cut the required number of sticks, and then we will continue the lesson. So I cut the required number of parts, and now I will show how they should be processed. In order for them to be even, and then it was convenient to glue them together, I take this vise, take a clothespin and put it here. Then I take 4 things and press them close to the clothespin. Then I take 4 more things and also press them close to the clothespin. Then I clamp and twist so that the parts do not move. The clip can be removed. On this side, we have exactly, but then you can also process it. And on this side, I do this by substituting a hammer. Take a needle file and process this side. We check. So now you can turn it around. We also put a clothespin and process it on the other side. And here are all the details lined up. Super. This is how all the details are handled. So we made 44 pieces for the two side walls. Now we need to make these two triangles, which consist of several parts. In the future, when we are done with this triangle, then we will have to make a lining for the roof. Two things. Let's start making a triangle. We have 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each stick is 1 centimeter wide. Visually it turns out a little less, but we will proceed from what is. Further, we need a total of 12 centimeters wide. The length of the stick is only 8 centimeters. So we need to make 2 strips of 2 components of 6 centimeters. First of all, we will do cut off from one edge. Details. We need 4 things. We need to process them. As I showed before. Now we will connect them and add 3 more rows of sticks. Here we stand behind a cut. and 6 centimeters in each direction 2 times 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. And draw. So that our stick does not move, press them with a hammer. And the second side. Look what we got. Super. Exactly like this. I'll make another triangle and then we'll glue them. So we just need to make a roof lining. Since it should be 14 centimeters long and we have sticks. Only 10 centimeters. You will make one lining from 2 sticks and from 2 sticks to another lining. We will make them according 7 centimeters. This will be one overlay, and we will also note another overlay. And I will also repeat that these tips that remain do not need to be thrown away. They will be useful to us in the future. These sticks will also need to be processed typing like we used to do it, and then we will glue them on. This second lesson is over. See you in the next lesson.